YouTube, what's poppin'? Retro family, what's good? This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kits coming back at you with another dope unboxing, another dope vigi. You know how your boy say, don't worry, we're gonna hit the wall on this one. More hype beast, courtesy of my guy Dre. You know how Maddie do. We had to get some more hype beast stuff in the building. Not gonna hold you up. Travis Scott, Lowe's. Let's get it, gang. So look, man, this pair came out July the 19th on Travis Scott website, as well as they released it on the sneaker app on the draw July 20th. I took L's every which way, but my gang ain't gonna never let me down. Shout out to my boy Dre again. Look, if I take an L, he gonna turn into a W, vice versa. Same thing with Munchie Buck, CeeLo Keys, Lord Series. I be forgetting y'all names sometimes. Trust me, man. Nothing personal, man. I got a lot going on. A lot of y'all been in my shoebox. You know how your boy get down. Man, we love y'all. Let's stay strong, double strong. So here we go. What I noticed off rip. Don't worry, you know your boy gonna hit the wall. See that? You see that? So when you scan now, we know if it's fake. Because a lot of these pass through StockX fake. This is the low top. I do have a high top. When Mike Rich and the Rich Nation get the 300K, me and Maddie get the 5K, we're gonna let that pair go. Travis Scott's, size 10.5. Don't forget it. Tell a friend and tell a friend. We need y'all support. Once again, the paper is the same on the other one. From the highs. This is the lows. Got the Cactus Jack emoji. Gonna open these things up, man. Y'all know I didn't like the high top. Y'all know why I'm giving them away. I said brown. I ain't gonna do too much. I don't like the brown like that. I do like this pair because it got a black blocking. Another thing they did was they took the check. They lost me on the check. Kind of bounce back on this pair a little bit. Got some hype up around this shoe. Got the Cactus Jack. Low tops. They're bringing lows back. What y'all leave a comment. Y'all think this low gonna make y'all get every other low to come out? We got the Carolinas coming out. We got a lot of low tops coming. I seen the gold toes. The low tops like these are just dropped. So look, I look at it like this. I'm retro. I'm gonna be honest with you. We were rocking lows before highs. I don't know your age, but I know my age group. Y'all leave a comment. Back in the day, we will rock the low tops before the high tops. I had some Guess jeans on with mine, creased up, roll up. Man, come on, man. You know how we do, but it's retro. But I just started to put that out there. Lows ain't gonna never die down. Your collection is your collection. Don't let nobody trick you out of it. Off rip, Travis Scott inside. Cactus Jack, you see that. Once again, they lost me on the check. What I will say on this check, I'm touching leather, like Maddie would say, buttery. This leather on this check is like, to me, good quality compared to other shoes. On the back, you got the Air Jordan, Nike Air on the tongue. You got kind of like that off-white bottom, like that. I don't say off-white, but like a brown. That's why I'm calling it off-white, like a tan. Then you got the brown sole. Once again, the black of the blocking of the toe box, and right here on the sides. This is why I like this shoe more in the Jordan 1. Y'all leave a comment. You like the Jordan 1 Cactus Jack high top, or you rocking with the lows? Leave a comment. Just say high or low. It don't matter. Let's see. We're going to go ahead and unbox the other one. Of course, you got laces on laces on laces. You got 1, 2, 3 laces on this one, plus the black pair. You got the pink, red, black, inside. Once again, this one a little bit different. Don't worry, I'm looking at this because I'm going to hit the wall. I'm starting to look at a whole bunch of stuff on this one that they didn't have on the other Jordan 1. You can verify these now. Look, y'all stop playing. Y'all stop pushing this stuff through StockX, making it hard. Once again, Cactus Jack on this one. Y'all know what, fam? I can't wait to dead on this. This is not my size, but we will hit the wall. The wall now. All right, Retro family, Retro gang, we on the wall. Give y'all this detail review. 8.5. Like I said, this new. Check. You know, you can check it, see what's going on now. Make sure it's real where it came from. I'm liking that already. Of course, y'all know about the box. It's red in the inside. You got you see that? Y'all see everything. You got the swoosh. You got the Nike check. Then you got the stamp. Once again, you got the pink paper. We're going to dive into this shoe. Now, this shoe here, you got Cactus Jack right on it. You can see that in red. You got the black, like I said, the toe box. You got the brown. Even the sole is brown. Got the Nike. I will tell you right now, these shoelaces are different. You see that wax look? Like wax shoelaces. See that Nike Air on the inside. You see that? You got Travis. Let's take the shoe tree out. Got my guy's name ready now. There you go, Travis Scott. Y'all hear my Vigi bumping in the background. I'm going to be knocking out videos for the next couple of days to make up. I've been gone. So look, we're going to keep it popping. You got the brown check here. Okay. So like I said, man, I'm digging this pair versus the other pair. Y'all still leave a comment. Let me know. Highs or lows. Look at that quality leather I was talking about. That buttery. Now you can see the wrinkles now. That crocodile wrinkles. There we go. Okay. We'll set this one here on that Travis Scott. We're going to pull out the other one with the lace bag. Now, hold on. Before I do that, this is a shoe tree out of the other shoe. Let y'all know what's going on. See that Jumpman logo. You got the sizes right there. Let you know from an 8 to 8.5. You got an 8 or 8.5, your shoe tree need to say that. If you got an 8 and your shoe tree say a 12, we got a problem. All right, we're going to set that one here. Now on this one, here go your lace bag. What I'm noticing on this one, you see the laces? They got them skater laces. They got them fat shoelaces here on the pink ones. The other ones was flat on the highs. Black ones is the same way. Got the fat laces. And then on these red laces, these are wax. You see that? You got that wax. Same as the black. Once again, a check, quality control, man. I'm loving that check. Nike Air on the tongue. We're going to pull this shoe tree out on this one. Once again, you can see that 8 to 8.5, the Jumpman logo. Okay. This shoe here, you got the old Jordan Jumpman logo on this one. I'm going to try to dive all the way into this shoe so you can see that cactus. Y'all bear with me. Y'all see that? There you go. That's why I like to hit the wall so we can get detail. Got the cactus. Look all the way up in there. All the way at the toe box. You see that red Air Jordan? Ah, nice. I'm going to tell you right now, man. I'm going to double back. I'm going to get this pair. I'm going to wait till it drop. We're going to have some more shot drops. I'm going to wait till I get to the number that I want. I can't spend $600-700 on this shoe right now. I just can't. But I'm going to go for this pair if it drop down to a reasonable number. Hopefully you can get back down to that $3 mark or $3.50. I doubt it, but if it do, I will get it. So once again, man, we're going to hit the wall with that review. You know what your boy say, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. We out. Still a whole lot of gang. Hey, shout out to Dre Ice, man, for pulling up on the kid, me and Maddie, man. We appreciate you, big dog. Let's get it.
Retro, and Maddie kicks. We ahead of the wave. We keeping it lit. And if you got the chips, you can come take you a pic. Air Max 95s and an Air Jordan 6. Plus we give it back. Whatever repurchase we get. Feeding our homeless and keeping them fresh. If they need some kicks,